Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2016 Jeep Renegade. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.